Tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world, and it is also increasing year on year. It is imperative today that the industry adopts sustainable practices to meet the growing demands and deliver the quality, which is the key to remain competitive in the market. In the tea industry, the quality of processed tea is determined by the standard of the green leaves and the parameter we call fine leaf count. Better the fine leaf count, better is the quality of final tea. But the tea industry still abides by the traditional manual methods of counting the fine leaf percentage, which is time consuming and prone to errors, ultimately leading to a loss in tea quality. Agnext, a leading agritech company, is set to revolutionize the tea industry using artificial intelligence and bringing sustainability. In 2018, Agnext, in association with Tea Research Association Toklai India, has innovated an AI solution called Tragnext to determine the fine leaf count. Let's hear it from our industry veterans.
I think the prime determinant of made tea quality, processed tea quality, is the standard of green leaf. Everyone does manual counts of the fine leaf, but the problem is that earlier it wasn't such a big problem because there were no economic factors involved.
Industry is also going through a very exciting stage in the sense that sustainability has become the issue of the entire industry.
The tea industry was in dire need of such an innovative solution that would disrupt the long-established traditional paradigm. In 2019, Agnext first launched Tragnext with the Tea Research Association unveiling the solution.
So we were looking for a machine or an app which would give an unbiased and a count that could not be refuted by the supplier.
Tragnext removes the subjectivity from the system, reduces the process to seconds, and improves the overall accuracy.
I think this is going to be the first use of artificial intelligence in finding a solution, real-time solution for the tea industry.
And when you have this device with the backup of this artificial intelligence, then you have a system which will give you an instantaneous result and which will be free from biasness.
In 2020, Agnext took a stepping stone towards revolutionizing the tea industry, starting with leading tea companies willing to adopt AI technology. Our solution has been successfully deployed in the tea estates of Tea Board of India, Kudrik, Rossell Tea, Sista, Bokahola Tea, and also placed at Tea Research Association. We are immensely grateful to our esteemed clients who entrusted their faith in us, which led to initiating our mission of bringing quality food for billions. Tragnext uses its computer vision technology and can count a sample of 1 kilogram of tea to give the percentage of fine leaf count, coarse leaf, within 2 minutes.
Fine count is a very important aspect in the tea industry, since the quality is made in the field. So how the tea is brought to the factory, quality comes after that. So to judge the quality of the raw material, this machine, I hope that it will be very handy in the industry for the set gardens as well as for the small growers.
You plug better quality of leaves, so there will be better price realization for the end farmers, which are the small tea growers, as well as even for the organized sector also. If you plug better quality of leaf, you get better prices. So it's a win-win situation both for the organized sector as well as the small tea growers.
Not only the assessment of inbound tea quality, but Agnext aims at bringing a revolutionary change in the tea industry in all aspects of improving the quality by establishing an AI Center of Excellence at Tea Research Association, Toklai, India.
Apart from this, the fine leaf count technology, which we are calling the Tragnext, there are other newer technologies which I think which is going to come in future. which is going to revolutionize the working of the tea industry, and we need to roll out these as fast as possible, because currently the industry is going through huge cost pressures in terms of wages, in terms of getting good prices, in terms of a lot of sustainability issues. So the sooner we implement newer things, the better it is for the industry.
The tea industry is at the cusp of transforming itself, and it would be facilitated by unlocking AI and data-driven technologies. Digitize your business now with us. Contact us at www.tragnext.com.